CH2M Hill Plateau Remediation Company construction crews hoisted the first structural steel for the 200 West Pump and Treat facility last week. Crews erected the steel structure that will house the radiological building, one of two buildings that will make up the main facility. Its footprint is 52,000 square feet, roughly the size of 3 football fields. Piers and footings have already been poured and the slab on grade is coming. The floor is an engineering marvel in itself, with slopes and drainage ways designed to provide increased containment capabilities at the facility during operation.
You look at the plans and you don't appreciate all of the workmanship that goes into this. I mean, you look at the plans, you see a concrete slab, but when you look at the formwork out here, it's complex formwork, it takes a lot of time, and we have a lot of good crews working on a project. The construction team has really gelled with the design team as well, so they're accomplishing really great work.
It's a great accomplishment for our project because we're trying to get the walls up before the weather changes. So it's a nice, beautiful day today, and so we want to get in and get this taken care of so that the guys that got to work in here for the mechanical and the electrical and the INC guys have the ability to keep working through the winter and we don't get any delays to the project.
The $80 million Recovery Act funded facility is expected to be operational in 2011. The CH2M Hill Waste Retrieval Team broke ground in Trench 8 of the 3A burial ground and retrieved the first box out of the trench. Box 32 was removed in its entirety without having to be overpacked or repackaged. The box has been in the ground for years and contains suspect transuranic waste, which can include a mix of materials such as gloves or personal protective equipment, and miscellaneous materials and equipment contaminated ages ago during work activities. CH2M Hill is using Recovery Act funding to retrieve the boxes like Box 32 from Hanford's trenches in the 200 West area, repackaging them as necessary and shipping them off-site for treatment and disposal.